kindergarten, it's Miss Solomon here. I'm going to read you a great Mo Willems book called There Is a Bird on Your Head. By the way, I heard that Mo Willems was giving some drawing lessons online these days. If you'd like to learn to draw like Mo Willems, maybe your parents could help you find that. There is a bird on your head. You could probably read along with me. If you ever need more time for the words, just press pause and try and figure them out. No words here. Mo Willems is good at telling the story with pictures. They look so calm together. Uh-oh. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? See the question mark? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head, and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why ask them to go somewhere else. Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. That's pretty cute. Look, there's the pigeon. It's always there somewhere. Well, I hope you liked that. There are lots of people reading to kids online right now. If you want to hear some more stories, you can go to Storytime with Awnie, Awnie. She reads a lot of great books to kids, and she has a better video setup than I do. I was reading this on my bed, and I'll get better at the filming. But if you want to see some real professionals, you can find them online. There are lots of people reading to kids. I'll keep reading to you, though, because I love to do it, and I think you like to hear me talk to you. I'll talk to you soon, kindergarten. Love you. Bye.